Greetings everyone. I am Dr. Deepa Agarwal. I am Senior Consultant Pediatrician at my own hospital, Gurgaon. आज हम बात करेंगे डस्ट एलर्जी के बारे में. What is dust allergy? Dust allergy is allergy to the dust which is present inside our home, the most common of which are the dust mites. So what are the dust mites? Dust mites are the tiny bugs which are present inside our mattresses, pillows, rugs, carpets, soft toys and other soft furnishings which are inside our home. So dust mites are the most common indoor allergens, and almost 30% of the allergies these days are caused by dust mites. So how the dust mites they cause allergy? What are the symptoms of dust mite allergy? So the dead skin and the excreta of the dust mites, they cause a severe allergic reactions in persons who are allergic to the dust, and they frequently cause symptoms like allergic rhinitis, eczema and acute exacerbation of asthma. So mostly these patients they suffer from runny nose, blocked nose, stuffiness, itching around the eyes, itching in the nose, sneezing, congestion, postnasal drip, and sometimes increase in the symptoms of cough and exacerbation of asthma. And they are frequently the cause of sleep disorders in these patients who are prone to the dust mite allergies. So how can we diagnose dust mite allergy? Dust mite allergy can be diagnosed by a skin prick allergy test, which is done by using a concentrate of the dust mites. It is applied on the skin and a little prick is done so that it goes inside the skin, and those who are sensitized to the dust mite, they develop a reaction in the form of slight redness and itching at that point, which gives us an idea whether that person is sensitized or allergic to the dust mites. And the other way to test is to go for a blood test, testing for the specific IgE antibodies against the dust mites. So how can we treat dust mite allergy? Now, there are two things which should be done for the treatment of dust mite allergy. One is limiting the exposure to the dust mites, and second is the specific treatment. Now, the specific treatment, which is most important and which is the reason we do skin prick allergy test to identify the exact cause of allergy so that a specific treatment can be directed towards the treatment of that particular allergies, which is done in the form of an immunotherapy or the allergy shots, which is the most specific treatment available these days for the treatment of allergies and making the allergies in fact curable. So what can be done to decrease the exposure to the dust mites, or which can be done to limit the exposure to the dust mites? So as I told you that dust mites they live inside our mattresses and soft furnishings and pillows. So it is very important to cover the mattresses and pillows with a zipped soft cotton covers, which can be washed at least once weekly in 60-degree hot cycle, which kills the dust mites. It is also very important to cover them. These days, in fact, some dust mite proof covers are also available, which can be used over the mattresses and the pillows so that they decrease the exposure of dust mite allergen to the persons who are allergic to the dust mites. So washing of the bedding, including the mattress cover, as I told you, is very, very important to decrease the exposure to the dust mites. Next is vacuum your bedroom and your indoors regularly, at least once a week. You need to pull out the mattresses and vacuum the inside of the beds at least once weekly to decrease the exposure to the dust mites. Always wear a mask while cleaning the room, and it is very important to do wet cleaning with a damp cloth rather than dry dusting of the room to limit the inhalation of the dust mites while you are cleaning the room. It is very important to declutter the room. If possible, avoid using carpets, rugs, soft toys, soft furnishings inside the bedroom, and preferably change the soft furnishings with a leatherite furnishings, which can be cleaned easily with a damp cloth. It is very important to aerate the bedroom and at least open all the windows during the daytime for at least 15 minutes to expose your beddings to a dry light which is outside. Maintain the temperature of the bedroom if possible to around 18 degree, and limit the dampness inside the room by keeping your bathroom doors closed, and avoid the drying of your wet linen inside the bedrooms. So all these things will help you limit the exposure to the dust mites and decrease your symptoms. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.